Feeling exhausted no matter how much you sleep? Bloated after every meal? Struggling with brain fog or constant joint pain? Your body is screaming for help, and the answer might be sitting right inside your kitchen. These 8 natural foods aren't just tasty. They're powerful healing tools that can fight fatigue, boost memory, reduce inflammation, and reset your health from the inside out. So pause whatever you're doing, hit that subscribe button, and stay with me to the very end, because what you learn today could be the key to transforming your life. We often look for answers in medications, supplements, or expensive treatments. But what if the secret to fixing your health was hiding in your fridge? Today, I'm going to walk you through 8 everyday foods that can help your body heal naturally. These aren't gimmicks. They're backed by science, supported by centuries of traditional use, and best of all, they're accessible, affordable, and delicious. And trust me, you'll want to stay until food number 8. It's often overlooked, but it's so powerful it's been called nature's antibiotic. Let's jump right in, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe now, so you never miss a tip that could change your health. Because here's the truth. Your body has an incredible ability to heal, repair, and reset, but only if you give it the right tools. The foods I'm about to show you aren't trendy fads or miracle cures. They're time-tested, science-backed ingredients that can transform how you feel, look, and live. Whether you're battling low energy, stubborn bloating, constant brain fog, or just want to feel like yourself again, this video might be exactly what you've been needing. So take a deep breath, open your mind, and let's unlock the healing power of what's already in your kitchen. So grab a pen and paper, because what I'm about to share is too valuable to forget. Take notes, save your favorites, and get ready to turn information into transformation. Number 1. Avocado, brain fuel and natural energy booster. If you feel mentally drained or struggle to concentrate, your brain may be starved for good fats. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats that support brain function, stabilize blood sugar, and keep your energy levels steady. They also contain vitamin B6, which helps your body produce serotonin, the hormone that balances mood and boosts focus. 1 avocado a day can feel like flipping the switch from sluggish to sharp. Add sliced avocado to your breakfast toast or blend it into a smoothie to jumpstart your brain every morning. Want to feel mentally clear again? Start with an avocado a day. Number 2. Kale, gut guardian and digestive healer. Bloated? Acid reflux? Irregular digestion? Kale is your gut's best friend. It's a natural anti-inflammatory green, loaded with fiber and rich in chlorophyll, which helps cleanse your intestines and supports the growth of healthy gut bacteria. Its alkaline nature neutralizes stomach acid, easing discomfort from indigestion and promoting smoother digestion. Kale helps balance your pH and reduces bloating. Try blending kale with apple and lemon juice in the morning. Your gut will thank you within days. Healing starts in your belly. Let kale do the heavy lifting. Number 3. Blueberries, memory enhancer and brain protector. Feeling forgetful? Struggling to recall names or why you walked into a room? Blueberries are one of nature's most powerful brain boosters. Rich in anthocyanins and antioxidants, they protect brain cells from oxidative stress and support long-term cognitive function. Studies show that eating blueberries regularly can improve memory, learning, and even reduce the risk of Alzheimer's. They're like a reset button for your brain. Frozen or fresh, toss a handful of blueberries into your yogurt or oatmeal for a daily mental upgrade. If clarity and sharp memory are what you need, blueberries are your secret weapon. Number 4. Ginger, nature's pain reliever. Waking up stiff, sore, or inflamed? Ginger acts like a natural ibuprofen. Its bioactive compounds, particularly gingerol, block inflammation at the cellular level and help reduce pain in the joints and muscles. It also improves blood flow, reduces oxidative stress, and calms the digestive system. From arthritis to muscle soreness to bloating, ginger has you covered. Sip on ginger tea after meals or add fresh ginger to your stir-fries for a fiery punch of healing. Pain is optional when you let ginger in. Number 5. Sweet potato, stable energy and craving control. Tired of sugar cravings? Struggling with energy crashes? Sweet potatoes release glucose slowly, giving you long-lasting fuel without the spikes and crashes. They're also high in vitamin A and resistant starch, which feeds your gut bacteria and improves digestion. Sweet potatoes help you feel full longer and stabilize your mood. Replace your morning toast or sugary snack with a baked sweet potato and feel the difference in your energy and focus. Let sweet potato be your natural, delicious energy source. Number 6. Orange, immunity supercharger. Always catching colds? Feeling run down? Oranges are your go-to fruit for immune protection. Packed with vitamin C and powerful antioxidants, they support white blood cell production and strengthen your body's defenses. Oranges also contain hesperidin and other bioflavonoids that reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Start your day with a fresh squeezed orange juice. No sugar added. It's not just refreshing, it's healing. Make orange your daily shield against sickness. Number 7. Garlic, nature's antibiotic. This one's the game changer. Garlic isn't just a seasoning, it's a superfood. Its allicin compound gives it antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties that rival pharmaceuticals without the side effects. Garlic can lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and fight infections naturally. It strengthens your immune system at the core. Crush a clove, let it sit for 10 minutes to activate allicin, and swallow it raw with water before bed. Strong? Yes, but incredibly effective. If you want a strong body and clean blood, garlic is non-negotiable. Number 8. Apple, gentle detox and heart health. Hero, an apple a day really can keep the doctor away. Rich in fiber, especially pectin, apples sweep your gut clean, reduce bad cholesterol, and stabilize blood sugar levels. Their antioxidants support heart health, prevent weight gain, and even improve skin texture. Apples are simple but mighty. Eat them raw with the skin on, preferably organic, for maximum detox benefits. Detox doesn't need fancy juices or powders. Just grab an apple. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are hiding in plain sight, quiet, humble, and waiting for you to notice them. Take a moment and think. How many of these foods are already part of your routine? And which ones are missing? Your body speaks through fatigue, inflammation, and fog. These aren't random symptoms, they're messages. And now you know what your body might be asking for. Healing doesn't need to be complicated. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. These 8 foods are your foundation. Start today, one bite at a time. Food is information, food is medicine, and food, real, natural food, can heal you. Now it's your turn. Which of these healing foods are you excited to try first? Comment below and tell me your health goal, and I'll reply with a recipe or tip just for you. Your story might inspire someone else watching, so don't hold back. This is a space for healing, learning, and growing together. If this video inspired you, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and join our growing community of people healing naturally, one day at a time. Share this video with someone you love because true health begins in the kitchen, and it's too powerful to keep to yourself. Thank you for watching, and remember, your body was designed to thrive. Give it what it needs. The healing starts now. See you on the next video. Bye.